Welcome, culinary explorers. Today, we're diving into an exceptional cooking tip that'll elevate your dishes to new, flavorful heights. The secret? Fresh herbs. With their vibrant green hues and potent flavors, fresh herbs can transform your meals from the mundane to the sublime. Let's uncover the wonders of these tiny, flavor-packed leaves. First up, we have basil. This herb with its sweet yet slightly peppery flavor lends a depth to pasta, salads, and sandwiches. Just a sprinkle of finely chopped basil can make a world of difference. Next, we introduce parsley, a versatile herb that brings a fresh burst of flavor to almost any dish. Whether you use it as a garnish or mix it into sauces, parsley adds a delightful zing. Last but not least, we have rosemary. Known for its earthy aroma, rosemary is the perfect companion for roasts and grilled meats. A single sprig can infuse your dish with a mouth-watering fragrance. And voila, fresh herbs, the secret weapon in your culinary arsenal. Don't be afraid to experiment, get creative, and let your taste buds embark on an exciting dance of flavors. Remember, herbs are nature's flavor bombs. Hit that like and subscribe button for more tasty tips and tricks. Stay tuned for our next culinary adventure.